In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Facebook being down right now / not working. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video because it does really help support the channel. So now I'm going to explain to you what's going on with Facebook and how you could go ahead and try to fix this. So there are a few ways which I would recommend you do. So the first thing I would recommend you do, if it's like literally just not working at all, Facebook is currently having like major issues today. So you could go ahead and use a down detector to like check whether it's down or not still. But there's a few ways which you can fix it. So what I'd recommend you do is first try deleting the app and reinstalling it. Second, log out of your account and log back in. You could also go ahead and try restarting your device or going on the internet browser or like your PC version of it and trying that as well. Other than that though, you just gotta wait. It should be fixed hopefully within a few hours, hopefully pretty soon, and you can get right back on. So yeah, hopefully this video did help.